So, I finally got my hands on the 2026 Kawasaki H2R, and yeah, this thing is absolutely unhinged. First impression? It doesn't even look like a normal motorcycle. It looks like something NASA and Kawasaki built in a secret lab. That supercharged 998cc inline 4 is still here, pushing over 300 horsepower, and when the ram air kicks in, you're basically holding onto a rocket with handlebars. Now, let's be real. The hype around the H2R is insane. People call it the fastest track bike in the world, and honestly, it kind of deserves that title. The acceleration is brutal. Like, blink, and you're already breaking speeds most bikes will never even touch. But here's the part most people don't talk about. This is not a ride-it-every-day machine. It's track-only, loud, extreme, and honestly a bit terrifying. There's no comfort focus here. Just pure, controlled chaos. Riding it feels less like riding a motorcycle, and more like trying to tame a machine that doesn't really want to be tamed. So is it worth the hype? If you want comfort, absolutely not. But if you want the closest thing to a factory-built superbike missile, yeah, the H2R is still in a league of its own. And honestly, nothing else even comes close.